what's going on? It's your girl Steph Dolan here, back again with another video with No Fade Fresh. I just want to say thank you, No Fade Fresh, for sending me these items. I just want to say before I start this video, I'm not a professional. And then I also want to say that I was sent this light pink shampoo at first, but my hair is too dark because it's like a caramel blondish color. So I got this dark purple color basically, and it's pretty cute. I really like this. It's pretty vibrant. I wasn't expecting the conditioner because at first I was just sent the shampoo, so I was surprised to get this conditioner. The second time, whenever I got the purple, I really love the packaging. Oh my god, I can't talk. Sorry, but I really like the packaging because it came in wrapped pretty with like confetti in it. So it's been sorry I didn't unbox it. It's been a while since I've had these products. I want to show you what my hair looks like. Because it is kind of faded. I did the bottom part of my hair. And so now I do have some of the shampoo in here. So I'm doing the bottom half of my hair. And I thought it'd be a cute idea to combine the purple with a light pink to get like a magenta color. So yeah, let's see. I'm trying to get it magenta. But I really like it, the purple, because it's very vibrant. So to get it pretty vibrant, you have to shampoo it like once and then shampoo it again, and then you can use the conditioner as many times as you want. But the more you apply the shampoo and conditioner, the more vibrant it comes out. So just saying that ahead of time now. Oh my gosh, what am I saying? So yeah, let me show you guys what my hair looks like now before I go wash. Hey guys, this is what the bottom of my hair looks like. It's pretty faded. I'm trying not to dye it as much with the shampoos because I am trying to go blonder, but you know how everything's still all closed because of the quarantine. So I figured since everything's still in quarantine, I'm gonna just keep dyeing it purple and see what happens. So yeah, this is the before or whatever. I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Hey guys, it's the next day. I just wanted to give you guys an update on how my hair came out. I like to air dry my hair. I don't like to use all the heat on it. Try to use less heat. But yeah, this is the result. Very vibrant. I really like it. I would recommend it. I want to try their lilac, their light lavender, and their red. They're so vibrant, like this deep purple. Like I said, I try to blend, like combine the purple and the pink. So as a result, I really like it. Oh my god, so pretty. But yeah, you guys should give it a try. Let me know how you guys like it. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.